Welcome to SAKUNTHALA VURE.
Next topic, insert header and footer. How to insert the header and footer and how to remove the header and footer in MS Word. Steps: click Insert tab, select header and select the footer. This is the header format. This is the footer format. Here how to remove the header and how to remove the footer. This is MS Word. Click Insert, then click right side in the header. Click header, select any header. Select any header. Yes, now type here name. This is the increase the header size. This is the increase the footer size. Clicking here, write the title. Now how to give the color. First, styles and colors. Here selected, I am styles in the heading 1, heading 2 is there. I am given to title 1. I am given to here color of the text. This is the color of the background of the text, and this is the header. How to design the header. Next, some design layouts is there. Layouts means top of that begin design first. How to increase the size of the header, how to decrease the size of the header. This is one. Now footer. How to type it here? Type the name. How to comes to the cursor in footer? Here. Here, go to footer. The cursor comes to the footer block. Here type the name. Footer, any time footer is called, type on the addresses and any page numbers. Give to the page numbers in footer and addresses of the company in the footer. This is called how to create the header and footer. Now, once you give to the header and footer, how to remove that? Same, click Insert, click. The cursor will where is that? Footer. So select the footer and remove that. The footer is automatically removed. Now cursor is header. Now remove the header. The header is removed. This is the how to create and how to delete. Once you give to the header and footer, it comes to the all pages. When your pages are used, need for that, all pages continue for the same heading and same footer. This is the header and footer. How to go to the header, how to go to the header and go to the footer, how to create on the header and footer, how to remove the header and footer. Thank you. Please subscribe my video.
Like a Hellcat.